Welcome back guys to another behind the scenes video in stunning Thailand. Don't forget, as you just saw, come to the next event. Link is in the description for the details, but we are in magical Thailand again. This was actually part of the Phi Islands tour. We did a private tour, so it was just our group we had our own boat. We literally went to a few different islands. It was a whole day trip, but to literally sail the seas like Jack Sparrow. And then we ended up on the way home. This wasn't even part of the tour. We just saw an island with one building on it. It's literally a little secret island with a secret beach on it. There was no one else on this whole island apart from this one resort. So again, this is what I'm saying with this trip, this photo trip. There's loads of little gems just like this, where we just find spontaneous locations to shoot, incredible locations. It was on the way back, and as you can see from these pictures with the 100mm, this is insane. Like, content from this beach is literally some of my best. Again, this is a 100mm shootout. I think most of this boat hopping tour or island tour, I ended up just keeping my 100 on. It's such an efficient lens, bit further than the 85, bit less than the 135, still has great compression at f2, L glass quality. As I will say again, I'm so surprised this lens isn't L glass. I think we need to sign a petition to bring back the USM line, not USM line, the gold ring. I think it needs to be revamped, because I'll be honest, I feel like the gold ring was their experimental line, because some of them, like the 50mm 1.4, I hate that lens. I don't even like 50mm anymore, just for the sake of that 50mm, because it never hits. For video, it works fine, but for photos, it always misses. Doesn't matter whose camera I try it on, doesn't matter whose 50mm. I've tried different combinations, that 50mm does not hit at all, but it's a gold ring. This 135, incredible lens, just as a good quality as the 135, which is L glass. I've tried the 28mm that one of the collective team members have, Kiefer at Walking Paradox. He has the 28mm. I think he had some issues with that one though. So it's hit and miss. I feel like it's their experimental range, I don't know. But this 100mm is my favorite lens. This is a staple. Like, if I'm going on a trip, an adventure, shoot, whatever the case is, it's always going to be a default this 100mm. If I got space in my bag, if I can take my big bag, I will take both lenses, my 100 and 135. But if I have a limited gear, I'm always going to take the 100 over the 135, just for the simple factor of weight, the simple factor of the size, so I can fit more in it. Like, the lens is so small, it's the same size as the 28mm, and I think it's even the same size as the 50mm in this gold ring range. But I'm shocked at this. I think they made this lens by mistake. If I'll be completely honest with you, I think they made this lens by mistake this good, because it is as good as the 135. It has a different style to it. Like, this is extremely sharp, clean lens, whereas the 135 is incredible for skin texture. It gives a natural smoothing of the skin. Obviously the bokeh is a bit more because it's 135. Like, don't get me wrong, the 135 is an incredible lens. I was definitely wrong about that lens in my previous videos when I versed the 100mm versus the 135, which I'll leave in the card above. But it's still an amazing lens, 135. But the 100mm is so close. For the price, I think I paid £129, so I don't know if that's what, about $160 or something like that. For a lens that's $160, this is insane. This is insane that it's keeping up with an L glass lens. So yeah, definitely it's one that I'd definitely try. I mean, it's only like a under $200 lens. Like, guys, you can just get it just to try it out and let me know what you think. I want one of my followers on here who hasn't already got it. I don't want someone that's already got it. Don't get me wrong, if you have got it, put your opinions in the description below. Comment below what you think of this lens if you have got it. But I want someone who hasn't got it and maybe it does have like a telephoto lens at 85 or 100 or 135, sorry, I want someone who hasn't got it to go buy it, do a shoot with it, and I want to let you know your initial thoughts, and even compare it to your 135 if you have one, or if you have another version of 100mm or something like that, or 85. I want you guys to compare the difference, because this lens is by far, it's on my camera more than any other lens. So definitely I want you guys to stick it out and definitely try it. But again guys, I want to see some of you guys at this next event. I'm psyched about this event. Probably, like I said, it's one of the best places I've ever been, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. We have loads of workshops, business workshops, so your photography business, your editing, so a lot of editing tips and tricks. So I'm going to show you some of the tools that I use to edit my work, which I haven't gone through yet. So all this content and advice that you're going to get on these trips, along with camaraderie, you're going to get the community, you're going to get the networking, you're going to get the like-minded others, positive vibes, great content. So check it out in the description below. Don't hesitate, this is the time to do it. If you're thinking about it, don't think about it, do it. Your money will return, but your time will not. Trust me, traveling is the best thing that you will ever do. So guys, I will like, comment, subscribe. Go follow up my new Instagram as well. As you know, I'm in the Instagram police, or the haters, which one ever it was. My older Instagram account did disappear, so please guys, follow me on the new one, which is IAmJadoreTV, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.